Hi dear students, today we are going to discuss here inductive effect and its definition and its classification also we are going to discuss here, and plus I groups and minus I groups, which is their showing, what is their order, and everything I am discussing here. You may can see up to the end of this video you can get more information. So last class already we discussed that one, types of electron displacements. Okay, this I given last class. Total 5 I given, which is under 3 is the permanent effects and 2 is the temporary effects. I'm going to discuss one of the effect, which is inductive effect. That's I'm going to discuss here. And its definition and everything I'm going to discuss very clearly. Yeah, we can see here F is a more electronegative atom compared to carbon. So remaining bonds also is there. Carbon have 4 bonds. I didn't write right now here. So F is more electronegative atom, compared to carbon. F is the highest electronegative atom in the periodic table. So which is bonding electrons that can pull towards fluorine. That's why these electrons present near to the fluorine. Due to that reason, fluorine gets partially negative charge, and due to loss of that electron near to the fluorine, so this gets partially positive character. Complete positive, complete negative means these are 100% ionic character, which we are getting delta positive, delta negative means these are partially negative and partially positive characters. Because this is covalent compound. For example, NaCl is there. You know that one Na plus Cl. This is permanent ionic character and perfectly. But it's not like does not work 100%. So whenever this carbon getting positive character means they have electron deficiency. Whenever electron deficiency is there, that can pull next bonding electrons also towards itself. That's why writing delta positive. And next same character. Here we are getting positive character. Automatically it can pull these electrons towards this carbon. We get like this delta positive. But more positive character present near to the carbon, first carbon, because it directly attaches to more electronegative atom. Therefore, here more electron deficiency is there. Next one also is there, but that is less. Even next still less. I wrote just these 3 indicate number of carbons only. So 2 indicate second carbon, 3 indicate third carbon. Not meaning of that is more positive character. More positive character is first carbon because it is directly attached to the electron withdrawing group or electron taking group. Got it? And here, by increasing distance, inductive effect decreases. What is inductive effect means? The moving of electrons or displacing of electrons towards more electronegative atom through covalent bond. All these are single bonds means sigma bonds. So electron displacement occurs through sigma bond towards more electronegative atom, which is here fluorine. So all the electron moving towards more electronegative atom. I hope you understood that one. So this whole phenomena we called inductive effect. Whole phenomena we called inductive effect. This inductive effect, when distance increases, like first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, inductive effect phenomena decreases, inversely proportional to distance. Got it? And here we can find out 2 things. One is electron taking, which is fluorine. Other carbon chain electron giving. So we can say here, which is electron taking, I can say that, oh, this is minus I, because with respect to inductive effect. Which is electron giving here group, that's I can say plus I group. So whole carbon chain is plus I group. So you can classify very easily all these things. And it is permanent effect. Permanent effect means it may be group present, reagent present or not, doesn't matter. It can show like always positive negative character. That's we call permanent effect. We can see here basic definition is provided. But different type of definitions is there. Okay. You can check it here. If you want, you can copy all these things. It is an effect in which permanent polarization arises due to partial displacement of sigma electrons along carbon chain. That's already we seen that one. Partial displacement of sigma bonded electrons towards more electronegative atom in carbon chain. That's only carbon chain they contain fluorine. They are moving electrons towards fluorine. Okay, that's the only they are telling always definition. So just imagine when you are reading definition that example. Displacement of sigma electrons in a covalent bond towards more electronegative atom is called inductive effect. So F is the more electronegative atom. So that is the reason that all the electrons moving towards fluorine. This phenomena we call inductive effect. Got it? Next. And some of its characters I provided, it is permanent effect. So suppose CH3, CH2, iodine is going to be reactive with assume that one OH minus. Then we are getting answer is assume that one CH2OH plus I minus. So it's showing in presence of OH minus or only molecule existing CH3, CH2I also, it can show that character. This electron withdrawing more, then electron is moving towards like this. Even OH is present or not, is showing this character. Electron moving towards more electron character. First one in presence of reagent, this is called reagent. This is the options of reagent. Even they are showing inductive effect. That's why we call permanent effects. So some characters they are given here. That's already definition. If you know that means you can find out. This effect operates via only sigma bonds, single bonds only here provided. So distance increases, this effect decreases. Like that they given. It can be neglected after third carbon. Okay, they can't show longer distance. Okay, that withdrawing character is there. Fluorine withdrawing from carbon. Here also they are moving. Here also they are moving. After that they are invisible. They are not showing that much. Okay, this is they are showing 1 positive, 2 positive like this. The replicate number of carbons only. This is 4, but neglected that is. There is no considerable range. So inductive effect again classified into two types based on electronegativity of hydrogen atom compared to with electronegativity of hydrogen atom. Any group which can donate electrons more than hydrogen atom, those we call plus groups or plus I groups. Any group which is taking electrons more than hydrogen atom, that's we call minus I groups. So here I given you can see that points. Electron negativity is less than hydrogen atom, electron is greater than hydrogen atom, which have more electronegativity, those can donate they can't donate electrons, that's why minus I. Electron taking means withdrawing. Okay. So due to this character, plus A group can create negative charge on the carbon chain. Minus A groups create positive charge on the carbon chain. Yes, you can see very simply here. For example, this is the carbon chain. You can take it anyone, electron withdrawing group. This is minus I group. So it can take electrons. That's why this is negative charge. So this is getting positive charge. Got it? So electron, these groups disperse partial positive charge on the carbon chain. So minus I groups create positive charge on the carbon chain. That's that again. Got it? So now we given here classification of plus I groups and minus groups. But if you remember this orders, you will get too many benefits. Next class we are going to discuss application of inductive effects. At the time more useful. Generally, all alkyl groups are acts as plus I groups. Remember this point very easy. Alkyl groups means if you remove hydrogen from alkane, that's we call alkyl. For example, CH4. If I remove one hydrogen from here, minus H, CH3, this is we called alkyl. So one carbon is there, that's why this is we called methyl. You can take it even other carbons also, C2H6. You can remove one hydrogen. We can get it here, C2H5. Okay, this is we call ethyl. Those two carbons. So this we call alkyls. So from here onwards, you can find out all these are alkyl groups. This is tertiary alkyl because that carbon attaches 3 methyls. Secondary this is primary. Carbon attaches only one carbon, that's why primary. If 2 carbons attaches, secondary. 3 means tertiary like that. T means tritium, isotopes of hydrogen. You know hydrogen have 3 isotopes. Hydrogen are protium, deuterium, tritium. These 3 hydrogens, 3. These are also hydrogen forms only. Among that which is more plus I groups, I given this is T means tritium, isotopes of hydrogens. Got it? This orders you have to remember that mostly you can see here carbon is good donor atom compared to nitrogen and oxygen because carbon is less electronegative atom, they can donate easily. Or you can say one more word, Here, negative charge holding capacity for oxygen is more compared to carbon because oxygen is more electronegative atom. So we'll discuss next, maybe coming videos. Charge stabilization factors also we'll discuss that one. Okay. Just you can see one more thing here. Minus I groups also you can find out. These are the electron withdrawing groups. Means which one have more electron deficiency, then only they can withdraw electrons, or more electronegative character. Two things is there. Electron deficiency means those also can act as electron withdrawing character. So NF3, NR3 plus. You can see all the list I covered here. This is cyanide, aldehyde, ketone, acid, all the halogens. All the halogens you can find out here electronegativity, okay, which is more. So this is the plus I minus C products. Next we will discuss remaining things. Okay, applications of inductive effect I am going to discuss. That's more important. How we are going to apply in regular cases. Okay, try to. I think you understood this one. Thank you very much. You can meet next class.